pretty bad. We're not actually that bad. Good news. So we're going to clear them up. If you get coughs, a bit of a treat. Now the bad news, it's not going to get much better. Remember that imagination. Sounds a bit like "Oh Canada." Well, we do not have parrots native to our country. All of them hatched here in Canada. So quite proud of the country he has hatched in. Let's hear that again. Pretty much sounds like this, but not too bad for a bird. He's done a great job for us today. Now here at African Lion Spire, we do believe that the first steps in conservation are education. So we really hope you've enjoyed